वेदांत श्री महाराज के चरण कमलों में अनंत कोटि साष्टांग दंडवत ज्ञापन करता हूं। तत्पश्चात नित्य लीला प्रविष्टम विष्णुपाद अष्टोत्तर सदस्य श्री महाभक्ति वेदांत स्वामी महाराज एवं समस्त विष्णु के चरण कमलों में मेरा यथायथ दंडवत प्रणाम करता हूं। ग्रंथ श्री श्री भजन रहस्य की कथा श्रवण करें। परिणाम चिंतामणि के अंतर्गत नाम भजन करते करते
Hare Krishna.
साधक
So when we were hearing about the bhajan rasa which is written by Bhaktivinoda Thakur, so how a sadhak performing Nam bhajan and he can remove all kinds of his anarthas.
शुद्ध नाम कर सकते।
So how he can perform the Shuddha Nam.
इसलिए शुद्ध नाम की प्रणाली भी यहाँ पर वर्णन है।
So there is a process of Shuddha Nam here is described.
जगत जीवों के
The Chaitanya Mahaprabhu for the welfare of the Jagat Jivas. So by performing the Nam Sankirtan he has distributed the topmost love.
नाम प्रेम माला गांधी बराइलो चैतन्य महाप्रभु
Chaitanya Mahaprabhu,
नाम और प्रेम की माला गूंथ करके
so he has made a garland of name and love,
प्रेम में
and he has drawn and everybody was intoxicated in the love of Krishna.
पशु पक्षी से लेकर के
From even words,
सभी के चैतन्य महाप्रभु
from words to every living entities, he has distributed the love.
इसलिए
That's why
आप कई दिन जावत महाप्रभु की कुछ अवदान
so yes,
जिसके की कथा हम
for last day we were hearing about the distribution of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu for this Jagat Jivas.
वही कृष्ण
The same Krishna in this Kali Yuga,
गौरांग के रूप
he
में
has manifested in the form of Gaurang.
इसके प्रमाण श्रीमद् भागवत में
So there is a specification and the proof is in Srimad Bhagavatam, in the Mahabharata.
गीता आदि के समस्त शास्त्र में
So in the Mahabharata, Gita and other scriptures,
ये कलयुग में
everything is mentioned there that the Mahaprabhu in the Kali Yuga will be manifested. He will mercy on the Jivas of Kali Yuga Jivas, and
सचिनंदन गौर
in the Kali Yuga is our Ishri Devi Sachinandan Gaurag. It is also described there.
इसलिए
That's why Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakur
इस ग्रंथ के
in this grantha, in the starting of this grantha,
महाप्रभु की ही जय घोषणा करते
so they have give the Jag
हैं। सचिनंदन गौर
portion of Mahaprabhu. What?
इसलिए काल हम लोग इसी श्लोक के ऊपर हम विचार कर रहे थे, श्रवण कर रहे थे।
So that's why we were hearing about all this.
कृष्णवर्णं पिता कृष्णं तङ्गपङ्गप्रपाशदं जग्गै संकीर्तनं प्रणि भजामि।
In the broadcast is also available. You can check there on my dear most Gurudev page.
प्रभु प्रभुरीमान हरे कृष्ण तोगनानं विदनं कीर्ततो भो एदे प्रपा शिक्षां चरण मुरुकेत परिदिशां सजीसुनो किन्मे नयनं सरोनि जस्से पदं वह सचिनंदन गौरहरि
So this Sachinandan Gaurhari again and again
मेरे के आंखों के सामने
in my eyes, before my eyes, he will manifest or appear.
जो सचिनंदन गौरहरि
The Sachinandan Gaurhari, who is Krishna himself, descending in the form of Sachinandan.
जैसे भक्तिविनोद ठाकुर
Just like as Bhaktivinoda Thakur is quoting the shloka and is mentioning the shloka.
जो जगत जीवों के जो है
So for the Jagat Jivas,
कीर्तन आदि के द्वारा
so by the performing Nam Kirtan, he distributed the love.
सभी की शिक्षा दिया।
So he has given the lesson to everybody, only one lesson,
सभी लोग नाम संकीर्तन
that everybody perform Nam Sankirtan.
हरे नाम हरे नाम हरे नाम केवलम करो नास्ते व नास्ते व इस कलयुग में और कोई
So in this Kali Yuga, there is no other source.
साधन नहीं,
There is no other
एक ही
source.
साधन
There is
क्या
one
है?
only source is
हरि नाम।
Hari Naam.
न साधती मांग योग, न संग धर्म धव, न सत्य तपस्त्याग यथा
Namir Uchate. Uchate.
कृष्ण।
So the Swami Krishna in the 11th canto saying to Uddhav, he told this thing to Uddhav.
कर्म ज्ञान योग तपस्या
So by
के
performing
द्वारा
karma, jnana and yoga, no one can understand me.
मुझे संपूर्ण रूप से प्राप्त नहीं
No one can attain me completely.
कर एकमात्र
One and only performing bhakti, someone can attain me.
एक कलयुग में भक्ति
So in this Kali Yuga, Bhakti Yoga is Naam Sankirtan.
सर्वश्रेष्ठ
नाम
संकीर्तन निरो अपराधे नाम लैले कृष्ण पदे पाए। एक कलयुग में और कोई
So
उपाय
in
नहीं।
this Kali Yuga, there is no other way. Whatever you do, there is no other way only.
कोई तपस्या करते हैं,
So
कठोर
some are doing
वैराग्य
some are doing very hard austerities.
कोई शरीर को कष्ट देते
Some
हैं,
are giving
तपस्या
so much
करते
suffering to the
रहते हैं।
body and
सारी तरफ
getting and suffering so much pain. And sometimes they are they get the fire and sit under the circle of the fire. So in that case, by doing all this thing, can you get Bhagwan? No.
नारादितो यदि हरि
Tapasa kim.
और अंतर बहिर यदि हरि
Tapasa kim.
और अंतर बहिर यदि हरि।
Tapasa kim. Wow.
तपस्या के तात्पर्य क्या
So what is the means of austerities?
शरीर को कष्ट दे
So tap means giving the suffering to the bodies.
है, तप
Tap.
ताप देना, कष्ट
Tap.
देना।
To give the suffering to the
शरीर को
bodies.
कष्ट देने से
So by giving the
भगवान
suffering to the bodies, you can get the Bhagwan? No. You can get the Bhagwan? No. So by getting the eating fruits and all, you can get the Bhagwan. If it is possible by that all the monkeys can get Bhagwan.
पता है
Have you know?
दूध पीने से हरि मिले तो
If you drink the milk,
बचरा
so if you drink the milk and get Bhagwan, so you will be calves.
हरि मिले तो
And if you leave your wives or ladies, so you can get the Hari.
है, मिल जाता है इसको।
Is it possible? No.
मीरा कहे बिना प्रेम से नहीं मिले
Nandalal. So Meera is saying that without the love, Nandalal cannot be attained.
भगवान को प्रति
So what is the mean to say? So if you have love and affection towards Bhagwan, so that you can get Bhagwan.
त्याग वैराग्य की तरह
So by the hard austerities, you cannot get Bhagwan.
भक्ति आने पर अपने आप वैराग्य हो जाए।
And the bhakti comes in the heart of sadhak, so it's spontaneously he will be detached from all kinds of material things.
क्या बोलते हैं इसको? सोने में
Suhaga.
हाँ, अच्छी है, क्योंकि भक्ति की यही है।
So what is bhakti? When bhakti comes in the sadhak, so spontaneously he gives sadhak gets the gyan vairagya.
किंतु जबरदस्ती करके
But forcefully,
वैराग्य आदि
if you do the austerities or the detachment, so it is not good. It is short too.
इसलिए महाप्रभु
That's why Mahaprabhu said,
जो श्री हरि को आराधना करते
so he is worshipping Lord Hari. So what is the need of austerities? If somebody is doing,
जो हरि आराधना नहीं करते
if who are not doing the worshipping of Hari, so if they are doing the hard austerities, so what is the use of that?
यदि हरि तपस्या की
If somebody has internal and external Lord Hari,
और बाहर में
so what is the use to do austerities?
फिर वैराग्य की क्या जरूरत? और नंतर वही यदि हरि तपस्या
And if somebody doesn't have internal and external Lord Hari, so what is the use of austerity?
हृदय में और बाहर में हरि नहीं है, उससे तपस्या की क्या है? वो तो स्वाभाविक रूप से हो जाए।
So it happens spontaneously.
तो ज्ञान वैराग्य की विशेष महत्व है।
So there is no much importance of jnana vairagya. Still we see
वैराग्य प्रदान जहाँ देवी तुष्ट हन गौर भगवान महाप्रभु गण सब वैराग्य प्रदान
so all the associates of Mahaprabhu,
गौर भगवान सच्चिदानंद गौर हरि
Sachidanand Gaur Hari,
अपने परिकरों के
with all his associates, seeing the detachment of all their associates, he was so much pleased. So that detachment was spontaneous. It was not Falgu Vairagya. It was not,
फल्गु वैराग्य
pretending. They were not pretending.
गाहित है गर्वित में निंदित
So Falgu Vairagya is criticism in the scriptures. So Vairagya must be spontaneous.
भगवान वासुदेव में भक्ति हो जाए
So if somebody has bhakti towards Vasudev, so Jnana Vairagya, everything comes spontaneous.
इसे कहते हैं
That's why it is saying
वैराग्य
all the
प्रदान।
associates of Mahaprabhu was has detachment from this word spontaneous.
ये महाप्रभु देगा इन लोग हृदय में कैसे
So Mahaprabhu has seen that love has manifested in all the sadhak. So that's why they are so much detached from this world.
हम इसी कथा का हम श्रवण करते हैं।
So we were hearing this katha
चैतन्य महाप्रभु
that Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Sachinandan Gaur Hari.
यानी वह स्वयं कृष्ण ही
So the Krishna, who is the Krishna himself,
प्रेम प्रदान
so he has came on this earth to distribute the love, and he descended from the Nitya Golok Dham Vrindavan and appeared this world. So that's why Bhaktivinoda Thakur in the so he was quoting the Srimad Bhagavatam shlokas.
और दूसरी श्लोक रचना ये श्लोक जो दिया ये कृष्ण वर्णन संग पांग अस्त्र पार्षदम जगै संकृतम प्राणी भजामि कलि पावन। और श्रीमद् भागवत में स्पष्टीकरण किया क्या?
So what is the specification in the Srimad Bhagavatam?
अस्त्र पार्षदम जगै संकीर्तन प्राणी जजन्ति सुमेधस माने बुद्धिमान।
Sumedasa means who is the wise man? Who is the wise?
वही कलियुग की
So
इष्ट देव महाप्रभु ही वर्णन करते
So who he will be described, the Ishtadeva in the Kali Yuga is Mahaprabhu.
और हमारी उपास्य देव
And our Upasadev in this Kali Yuga only one and only Sachinandan Gaur Hari.
क्योंकि गौर हरि के छोड़
Because
करके
except Gaur Hari,
और किसी की उपासना करना ही नहीं।
nobody has to do worship any demigods. That's why Bhaktivinoda Thakur is saying under the guidance
राधा
of
गोविंद की सेवा
Gaur Mahaprabhu, everybody has to worship Radha and Krishna.
गौर अनुगत सच्चिदानंद गौर हरि ये चैतन्य महाप्रभु
So Chaitanya
जगत
Mahaprabhu,
जीवों की शिक्षा
so he has given a lesson to the all Jagat Jivas. First he has followed all everything
कलियुग में
because in this Kali Yuga,
नाम संकीर्तन हरे कृष्ण
Nam Sankirtan is topmost.
कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 राम 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 हरे। युगल सरकार की प्रार्थना
So Yugal Sarkar's Upasana, the worshipping of the Yugal Kishore.
ये राधे कृष्ण कृष्ण कृष्ण
There is a Kali Yuga is only one mantra.
और राधे श्याम
Sham Sham
श्याम
Radhe.
राधे तो राधा कृष्ण और वही राधा कृष्ण
So the same Radha Krishna
गौरांग के रूप में
has manifested in the form of Gauranga. Externally, internally Krishna, externally Gauranga.
और वही सच्चिदानंद गौर
And the same Sachinandan Gaur Hari he is giving the instructions to the Jivas.
ये नाम संकीर्तन
So just perform Nam Sankirtan.
करने कृतजध्यातो विष्णु त्रेतानि जगते मुखे तापरे परिचर्या और करो हे नाम संकीर्तन चार युग
So there are 4 yugas. In the 4 yugas, different.
और भजन कैसे करें?
So what is the process of bhajan in the 4 years?
कृतयुग माने
In the Satyug,
सतयुग लोग क्या करते थे?
what the people did there, they used to do meditate in the Satyug.
ध्यान
It is not possible dhyan in the Kali Yuga. Meditation in Kali Yuga is not possible. So it is very hard to do the meditation in this Kali Yuga.
आंख बंद करने के साथ ही
So
साथ
when you turn off your eyes, so you goes to sleep. You go to sleep, Om Bhurbhuva, and you sleep. When you close your eyes and Om Bhurbhuva and Swa means so gaya, he slept. So when they hold the Janayu and they say Om Bhurbhuva and sleep. So they went to sleep. So is it possible to meditate? So there is a process of meditation. So it doesn't mean that I'm saying that who is doing meditation, they give up that. So I'm not saying like this. Nobody chant the Gayatri mantras. So this is the Kali Yuga people's symptoms that he get these kinds of things like le means again and again. Laya. So in the la means that sleeping in hearing and doing the kirtan of Hari Katha. there is a little bit sleep in the hearing,
और
no, in the doing the kirtan, and so much sleeping in the hearing.
प्रलय हो जाएगा, महाप्रलय हो जाएगा।
When you hear lots of harikatha, so you will sleep.
विक्षेप,
Vichep,
चित्त की अस्थिरता,
so there's a undecision stability of the distraction of the chintan of the heart.
आदमी अनेक प्रकार की चिंतन आकर के मन को डामाडोल कर देगा, लय विक्षेप आएगा।
Laya vichep,
अप्रतिपत्ति,
apratipatti.
विषय वस्तु में मन को एकाग्र करना अतीव कठिन।
It's really hard to control your heart into the subject. And kasai means
अनेक प्रकार के कुसंस्कार
so very bad impression of the last previous birth.
आकर के क्या करते
They comes in our life
चित्त के
and they disturbs our heart.
दूषित कर देते।
They contaminated our hearts, just like the calm, क्रोध and others. Because so without any reason they comes in our hearts, so they disturb and contaminate it.
देखो प्रातः काल में अधिक किसके स्मरण होता है,
So in the morning,
इसके प्रति हमारी क्रोध है।
so in the morning time you will remember that person whom we have so much anger.
जितना जिसके प्रति मेरा क्या है,
So it is not, we will not get the remembrance of that person whom we will remember that person whom we have so much angriness.
देश रखते पर हिंसा रखते,
So if you have so much enviness towards someone, so you will remember that person in the morning, spontaneous.
मुझे ऐसे क्यों किया,
So why he has done with me like this? So how I will take the revenge with that person? Badla lunga.
ये लो, बदला कर देना।
We used to say like that, we will take revenge with that person. Why he has said me like this?
देखो स्वाभाविक
So it happens spontaneous.
स्मरण किस में ये लय विक्षेप की कसाय में प्रोजन की अनेक प्रकार के
Kasai means
कुछ संस्कार,
so the bad impression of last previous birth. So they comes in our heart and we
भगवान के नाम
we think about all that person again and again.
मंत्र आदि
It's really hard to chant when we used to go to work, meditate. So all kinds of vikars comes in our heart and contaminated our heart.
रस साधन
Rasa swadan.
विषय की चिंतन आदि करके मन ही मन प्राकृत जो है
For remembering all kinds of vishaya and tasting that.
रसोई घर से सुगंध आ रही
So if there is a smell coming from the kitchen when you are chanting the name, I'm not criticizing.
है, काम है काम,
Whatever Gurudev told me, I'm just telling you.
कोई कहते हैं कि महाराज
Somebody said this Maharaj is criticizing. No, whatever the Gurudev told me, so I'm just doing that. I'm just saying the same words.
रसोई घर से
When somebody is performing the Nam Kirtan and he is getting so much smell from the kitchen,
है, आज जो है सुंदर रसोई बना रहे हैं,
so there is a beautiful preparation is going on into the kitchen. They are putting so many stuff ingredients.
और नाम है मंत्र अथवा नाम जप करके के सोच रहे हैं
So when they are performing mantras and Nam Jap, so how can I taste that?
कब होगा।
When will the food will be distributed? How will I get that?
बंगाल में ये
So in the Bengal there is a kirtan.
शायद आप लोग जानते नहीं,
Maybe you know or not, don't know.
कुछ सहज
So in the Bengal, some Sahajya people, Sahajya Vaishnavas, where
अष्टप्रहर नाम संकीर्तन होता है।
all the time Ashtapahar Nam Sankirtan is going on. 8 Prahar, the 8 times Nam Sankirtan is going on. They just do the chant Hari Nam Sankirtan only. All 8 Ashtaprahar, 8 Prahar. The Bengalis knows well.
इधर भी होगा
Maybe it is possible. Maybe here some people used to do here.
अष्टप्रहर 24 प्रहर
Ashtaprahar, 24 Prahar, 24 Prahar.
इसमें अनेकों जो है ग्रुप आता है।
So there are many kinds of guru comes
24 प्रहर जो
that
नाम है,
somebody do this time to that time, another will do to that time to this time. So
72 hours
some people used to do 72 hours the Hari Nam Sankirtan.
उसे कितने चाहिए, कम से कम 5-6 दल चाहिए।
So for that, the person needs the 6-7 groups. So according to the after 3 hours they changes the group.
लगातार 3 दिन कीर्तन होगा ना,
So if somebody has to perform the Nam Sankirtan for 72 hours, so they have to change the group.
24
So
प्रहर, एक प्रहर 3 घंटा है,
one prayer is
कितने हो गया 72 घंटा। तो
one
72
prayer
घंटा
is
एक व्यक्ति के लिए
3 hours and 24 prayer is 72 hours, which is not possible for the ordinary person. So doing the Sankirtan for day and night continuously, it is not possible with Sadharana Jivas. It is possible on the Parikshit and Shukdev.
भागवत की कथा जो है
The Srimad Bhagavatam Katha
लगातार
was going on continuous. 7 days.
7 दिन
7 days was going on continuous, day and night.
हैं? दिन और रात
That katha was going on, day and night,
बैठे रहे
and the listener and the speaker was
दूसरी श्रोता चले जाए कोई
sitting
बात नहीं
continuously.
तो परीक्षित महाराज
Maybe
और सुखदेव
other
महाराज
listeners here went away, but Parikshit Maharaj, before the Shukdev Maharaj, he was listening the Hari Katha day and night till 7 days.
श्रीमद् भागवत में
So in the Shrimad Bhagavatam,
दसम स्कंध में
in the 10th canto,
वर्णन है
it is described too
ये हरि कथा
that Hari Katha.
जो श्रीमद् भागवत की कथा जो 7 दिन हुई
So the Shrimad Bhagavatam Katha, which was going on for 7 days, it is described there. So in the Shrimad Bhagavatam, the 10th canto, first chapter, and the 13 number shloka. So it clears all our doubts. Some pandits used to say, no. So they took rest for some time. No, but in the Shrimad Bhagavatam, it is mentioned by the shlokas is clarified that the katha was going on continuously.
दिन और रात
Day and night, katha was going on.
हम लोग 1 घंटा कथा सुनने
So
के बाद
if we hear the 1 hour katha, so we caught our head. We feel so much headache. So Bhakta can, the speaker can speak continuously, but the listeners, they get so much headache.
श्रवण में ज्यादा कष्ट होता है
So it is really hard to listen.
1 घंटा
If you,
चित्त के स्थिर करके
it is really
श्रवण करो।
hard to stable your mind and hear Hari Katha. It's really hard for 1 hour.
क्या कहा?
But Parikshit Maharaj,
हैं?
he was listening the Hari Katha for 7 days continuously.
जब ये कथा सुखदेव गोस्वामी कथा बोलते बोलते जब भाविष्ट हो जाते थे
When Sukdev Goswami observed or intoxicated in the mood,
2-4 मिनट तक
so for 3-4 minutes,
भावाविष्ट हो जाते
he got so much observed in the mode
और
of
उस समय परीक्षित
separation.
महाराज की इतना
So at that
करुणा
time, Parikshit Maharaj was feeling so much pain that time
कहते नहीं
that,
हे भगवान
hey Bhagwan,
हमें कथा सुनाई
I,
इसलिए कह रहे हैं
oh, at that time Parikshit Maharaj was saying, hey Prabhu, please tell me the katha.
तत्वम अभिवादते जीवंतम तम काम मुझे अच्युत हरि कथा अमृतम अब पुनः पुनः मुझे
And again,
हरि कथा को श्रवण
please
है
give me the Hari Katha, telling me the Hari Katha, whatever the offenses I have did.
उस अपराध को मैं दंड
So I would like to
है
get that punishment.
कथा प्रसंग
So there is in the katha, it is mentioned. I'm not going too deeper. So that's why thing is mentioned. They were listening the Hari Katha continuous. So the context I was telling you.
तो क्या वो चल रहा है बंगाल में वो कथा कैसी क्या चल
So
रहा है
what was happening?
अष्टप्रहर में 24
So the 24 prayer, the 24 prayer, where the Nam Sankirtan was going on
अलग अलग
in a different groups. They used to do the different time
10 जो है
groups. So there are 8-9 people. They used to carry the mridang. Here I have seen the brahmachari used to play the mridang. So I feel so much pleasure at that time.
और वो मृदंग बंगाल में वो मृदंग होता है ना बड़ा
And in the mridang there is a big mridanga. Maybe you have seen there the big mridanga there. They used to have so much big mridanga.
कीर्तन नहीं करते केवल
Nobody used to do kirtan. Only there is Mahamantra was going on.
और एक करके तो 5 मिनट लगा देते हैं
When they used to say Hare, so it takes 5 minutes. Only in Hare, Hare. Like.
तो कीर्तन ऐसे चलते जा रही है
So this time, this kinds of kirtan was going on very nicely.
नाम संकीर्तन
So the kirtan means Nam Sankirtan was going on there. And then
करते करते
while they were performing the kirtan,
देखो भाई एक बात बताता हूँ
so I just tell you one thing.
सहजिया जो है
Some Sahajiyas people,
वैष्णव होता है ना
some Sahajiyas Vaishnava, what they used to eat,
तो मछलियां खाते
they used to eat fish.
सीधी बात
It's
उन लोग के
simply.
शास्त्र में लिख देते
In
हैं
the scriptures it is mentioned, they used that look,
हमारे गुरुदेव श्लोक बोलते थे
our Gurudev was used to recite a shlok.
ईसा कलिसा वाचा शक्ति का स्मित बोले जिस मछली में कांटे नहीं है
So the fish does. So that is the sattvic fish. We should eat that.
जिस मछली